What's up, YouTube world? I want to talk to you guys today about how it's going to be 2019. It's almost winter. Out talking to people, getting contracts for the snow blowing season here in the Washington, D.C. area. I've moved recently and I'm rebuilding everything from the ground up. I already have systems, but the bottom line is this. I'm looking to grow my business. I'm going to build it in a different way than I have in the past. I'm looking to put an office person in this coming year. That's my goal, to help me weed out people that I don't want to do business with. Then hopefully by the end of the year I can hire one person to help me do hardscapes, do more advanced landscape. I'm going to school right now to be a better landscaper. I'm learning plants. I'm learning botany. I think it's botany, where you learn plants. I'm learning more about how to apply fertilizer. Already have gone to a number of the extensions for different universities that have provided that kind of a service. I've read books on it a number of times, safety manual. I've trained people for companies. I've showed people the ropes how to do it. I've talked to clients on how to apply fertilizer. When I worked for companies like Lawn Doctor. When you want to grow your business at another level and you're at the bottom earning ladder, if you will, the bottom run or bottom step, I guess, of the ladder, and it's an entry level based business where anybody can get signed up. The important thing is this. You get started, you have a lawn mowing business, then you add additional services like weeding. Then you start learning more about landscaping. Then you get more advanced landscaping, landscape design, landscape architect. You have one office employee. You have a number of employees to make up a crew. After a while, you have more of a team lead to lead that crew. Maybe you have a supervisor that oversees two crews and one team lead and one supervisor. I'm looking to expand my company in a different way. I haven't done it correctly in the past. I haven't found the right clients either. I'm learning marketing. I always have learned marketing. But sometimes it's a matter, it's really up to me on what I'm looking for at that time. Sometimes I get burned out, so I just cut back. And I start something and I try it, then I pull back. Sometimes when you get burned out, that's the time to hire somebody to go to the next level. Then once you get that new person, that relieves the stress that you have. So hiring someone is going to be the next priority, and I'm going to grow my business probably with a partner. I haven't found the right partner yet, so I'm hoping to find someone soon in the next 6 months. I've talked to somebody already. I've had two people approach me, but I turned them both down at this time. I just don't think they're the right people. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Check us out on Patreon and other social websites. And thanks again. And subscribe. Bye.